Hi everybody, Designated Broker with Position Realty. Today we are going over advanced SEO strategies for your website once you get them up and running. So today we are going to work on finding keywords for one of the articles that we wrote that we didn't actually get around to putting keywords in. So that is not advised to do. So each time that you do a post or you create a web page, you're going to want to immediately put keywords in the page. Otherwise, Google will actually put you down further down on the list for what's called broken links or not having any keywords on your website. So that will actually hurt your ranking. So whenever you do a website, you're going to want to do keywords. So we're going to search for keywords for this article, how to have year-round curb appeal in 6 easy steps. This is one of the blogs that we created. And so we will go over to Google AdWords, which is a tool from your Google Analytics account that you need to set up. You have to have a Gmail account and get that set up. And we will go over setting up a Google AdWords account on the next video. But okay, so we're going to type in here landscaping curb appeal ideas. And so Google gives you a list of keywords that that are relevant to this search keyword idea. So there's 1,316 keywords. So we're obviously not going to put all those keywords in your website because not everyone is relevant to your article. So you want to make sure they're relevant. And an easy way to do this is to sort. So we're going to download the keyword idea in an Excel spreadsheet. You would need to have Excel downloaded as a program on your computer. So we're going to open Excel. Slowly opening. Okay. So we're going to want to get rid of some of this stuff that they have on the spreadsheet, things that are just not relevant, like currency and average monthly search. They don't give you anything for that, so we're going to delete those, and then all these other blanks, blank headings. So we're going to come over here, double click on keywords, so this opens up, and we're going to highlight the columns here, assuming everybody knows how to use Excel. So we're going to do column width, so do 17, so that will open up all these columns so you can see them. And then at the top here, we're going to highlight this and go to data as one of the headings up here, and we're going to select this little filter looking thing. And so we have these drop down arrows that appear. So we are going to remove all the ones that are high competitive keywords and any unknowns. So we're going to leave the low and medium. So that just sorted it. And then we're going to come over here, 100,000. So we're going to remove the 100. So that sorted it some more. And we're going to come over to this column. We're going to remove all the blanks for top of page bid. This is the high range, and top of bid low range. So when you set up your Google Analytics account and you do pay per click, this is the high and the low bid range that you're going to want to fall into for this keyword in order for it to appear on Google and for someone to click on it. And then this column here gives you competition index value. So we're not really going to use this a whole lot. So it's already been sorted. So then another sorting we need to do, we need to go through each word and decide if it's relevant for the page or the article that you're doing. And I think we touched base on selecting of keywords. So on the silos and the different pages that you set up. So your home page, you're going to have more of a broad keyword. It's maybe 1 to 2 words. For any blogs, you're going to want to have more of a long tail or something that's describing of the blog that you're doing. So curb appeal ideas, that's a good keyword. Front yard landscaping, that's good. This is kind of a short word, curb appeal. So you're going to have too many searches for that. Curb appeal landscaping. It's a 3-letter word. Landscape ideas. We're not really having an article about landscape ideas. Front yard curb appeal. Front landscaping. We're going to delete that one. Front yard landscaping. Front garden landscaping. Simple landscaping ideas. Curb appeal design. Curb appeal ideas. Front yard garden. We don't have an article about front yard garden. Curb appeal smart yard. Tropical landscape ideas. We're going to want to delete that one. Improved curb appeal. Landscaping. Landscaping on a budget. Simple front yard ideas. Concrete front porch makeover. Low maintenance ideas for front yard. Front porch makeover, so we're not really talking about the porch. Landscape ideas for ranch style house. It's kind of more specific. Home curb appeal. Front door curb appeal. Ranch house landscaping. Ranch style home, that's more specific. Front yard desert landscape ideas. Colonial house. Update 70s house exterior. Colonial landscape idea. Front porch makeover curb appeal app. We're not having an article about a front porch app. Before and after house exterior. Okay, so now that we have a list that originally went from 1,316 keywords, now we have it, our short list of keywords that we're going to add to our website. So you're going to want to put all your keywords in a notepad document, and we're going to go back to our spreadsheet. Just going to, missed one. So we're going to copy and paste all of these keywords, and we're going to paste it into this notepad document. So there's another tool that we can use. It's called Answer the Public. This is a website that it gives you ideas for how, what, when, where keyword ideas. So let's say curb appeal. So we're going to get questions. And this is a free tool. I believe they give you 10 searches per day. So you're going to want to keep your searches to minimal, otherwise you'll get locked out and you'll have to wait till the next day. So it gives you this how, will, which, what, who, gives you these ideas of keyword ideas. What curb appeal, how curb appeal. So the same thing with Google. They give you a link here up here in the corner, and we're going to click on that. It's going to download an Excel spreadsheet, and we're going to open it up, and then voila, We're going to do the same thing up here. Going to delete some of the stuff that we don't really need. The modifier. And then we're just stuck with the suggestion here. Actually, we can just delete that one as well. So we're going to want to go through each one. Mainly, we're going to want to go through the ones that have how, what, when, where on it. So these ones here, you can go through them and use them as well. But for today, we're just going to go through these ones up here. Will curb appeal return to HGTV? I don't have an article about that. Which curb appeal? Yeah, we don't really see any of the what's here, so those are kind of irrelevant. Gives a home curb appeal. We'll probably use that one. How to hire for curb appeal. Curb appeal and selling your home. Probably don't want to keep that one. Why curb appeal matters. Our curb appeal, we're going to want to delete that one. Having curb appeal, it's too broad. These are good words here. The house, how to increase curb appeal on a budget. Boost curb appeal for selling your home, how curb appeal appears to a brick home. Okay, so all of these, we're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to copy and paste and put them over here on our keyword idea list. And another free strategy that you can use for getting keywords is using Google website. So we're going to type in landscape curb appeal ideas. So now it comes up with keywords over here. How to improve my curb appeal. How to curb appeal on my home. So you can actually copy and paste these and put them directly into our keyword list. If you click on the bottom one, it will automatically give you more. And so just copy and paste, put it in our list here. Click on this one, and then now we got 3 more. I'm not sure we want that one. Okay, so now these are kind of not relevant. But down here, we have some more words. Curb appeal landscaping company, curb appeal for ideas for brick home, for ranch style homes, for landscaping and lawn care. Landscaping ideas, curb appeal before and after. Just after. Okay. So probably this one right here is a good keyword, so we're going to copy that one. Try to. Doesn't look like it's going to let me. Oh, we'll just write front yard landscape ideas. Okay. So then, I believe if we go to the next page, it will give you more ideas. Oh no, it's the same. Okay, so anyways, that just gives you an idea of how to get more keywords using Google AdWords, and answer the public. So now we got our short list of keywords that we're going to use, and so we have to put a comma next to each keyword when we copy and paste it into the website. So I know it's kind of tedious, but we have to put the comma. So go through each one. Well done. So we've got quite a few keywords here that we are able to put into our website. There's no set rule on how many keywords you have. It just helps with whenever somebody searches for the keyword that your page is going to be found. So we're going to go back to our dashboard on our WordPress website or whatever website you're using, and just copy and paste, and it's that simple. So obviously there's no description here as well. We have to write a description. You can either go to the article and copy and paste something from there, or you can write something of your own. So that's basically how to get keywords for your website and to do research. On selecting the keywords, just do your best to find keywords that match the article that of what you're talking about. Otherwise, if you just put a bunch of random keywords in your page and it's not relevant to what you're actually talking about, then that will actually hurt your ranking as well. So keyword selection is important. Another tool that I'm going to show you is called Screaming Frog. And what this is, it crawls your competitor's website. So you can take a look at each page that they have, what keywords they are using. So if they have a similar web page that you're talking about, you may want to take a look at some of your competition and just copy the keywords that they're using. So let's go to our website. It is positionreality.com. So we're going to search. So what it's doing right now is it's crawling our website and getting all of this data from our site. So this one here is external links. So these are the external links that we have going out of our website. And then this column here are the internal links, so the links that we have within our website. These other ones you don't really need to worry about. And then meta keywords over here is the main page that you want to click on. Yeah, so we have a free version of Screaming Frog, and it only crawls 500 URLs on the free version, which is plenty. So then we're going to scroll down, click on this page, and it gives you the keywords of the page. So if you have a website about property management, and you look at your competitor's website, and you can easily get their keywords on their site, and you just copy, paste it, and you put it into Notepad, and voila, there's all the keywords that we have for that page. Pretty simple. So that is the end of our SEO advanced training. SEO is a lot more advanced, so we are going to be going over how to set up your Google Analytics account and doing Facebook pages and other advertising in the new digital world. So stay tuned for the next class, and I look forward to you guys watching.